Welcome to Virtual Giant. Subscribe, like, comment and share our content with rest of the world.
So if you want to make the same thing that you heard just now in CapCut, it is very simple. So let's get into it. First, open your CapCut app, go to new project, and then add the image or the video that you wish to use the text to speech on. So I'll select this one, go to add, and then beneath the image or at the far bottom you would see text, audio, etc. Select text, go to add text, type in whatever you wish to turn into the voice. So since I have already typed mine, I just copy it, so I'm pasting right here in the dialog box. Tap, paste. Okay, so that is it. I check and then I drag my image to the desired length that I want. Okay, so I want it to be this way, and then I drag my text to cover the entire length of the image. Okay, now I tap on the text, that is the orange bar beneath the audio. I tap on it, and then down there you'd see a lot of icons, split, style, add text, etc. animation. Go to text to speech, and then you are presented with a lot of voice clips. So it is up to you to choose the one that you think you would like. So let's begin with the first one, Jesse. So I tap on Jesse.
Welcome to Virtual Giant. Subscribe, like, comment and share our content with rest of the world.
Okay, so whatever that I typed in there, Jesse has read it. So let's change the voice. Let's settle on another one and see how it goes.
Welcome to Virtual Giant. Subscribe, like, comment, and share our content with the rest of the world.
Okay, so these have just read the voices have just read whatever text you put in there, but there is another way. You can turn whatever you put in there, whatever text you put in there, into a song, and you would have to scroll down and then select either of these one from opera, cozy, electric, pop, lullaby, hypertrain, etc. And the one you tap on will actually sing the text that you put into the dialog box for you. So let's try it out.
Welcome to Virtual Giant. Subscribe, like, comment, and your content with the rest of the world.
You can also select hip hop man, and then you see how it comes out.
Welcome to Virtual Giant. Subscribe, like, comment, and share our content with the rest of the world.
So that is basically how to simply convert text into audio or into speech in CapCut. If you like my content, subscribe, like, comment, share to the rest of the world. See you in the next one.